terrible, but that's okay, because it dropped some nice numbers. $100, nice. Drop another one like that. I'll take a mini or a double minor. Dropped a double minor on this the other day. Not the same. Oh, 150. Nice. Okay. Alright. Okay, one more. I could use a grand today. See it. Boop, 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 boop. Some weird, terrible music to go with it. Not bad. $730. That's awesome. And I think I still have. Oh, I'm in free games. This might be a jackpot. Oh. Let's see if we can triple that. Trigger. Oh my God. 768. No jackpot, but that's okay.